And I have a question to ask you.
Sure.
Okay.
Do we stop the recording really quick?
No. Well,
okay.
We can talk afterwards.
Okay. Don't write it down, so don't forget.
I won't.
Okay. All right. So the best and the easiest way to ship from home is I use PayPal. So, and with PayPal, of course, you can connect your debit or credit card to it. So every time that you do postage, it'll just do it all at once. And it'll just come out of your account. So you don't have to have a PayPal balance or anything like that. But you can, it'll just come off the balance first if you have a balance, okay? So the first thing you're gonna do is do this, okay? We're gonna go to paypal.com. You're going to log in. This is currently the account that I use for so along through here, so you have your PayPal account. So this one is actually just a personal account. It's not a business account. So you don't have a PayPal business account to ship products. All right.
Okay. So you said don't use a PayPal business account to ship products?
You don't have to.
Okay. I have both of them. I have personal and business.
Okay. So, well, if you have business, then you can go ahead and use your business one. But either way, it'll ship regardless. So this right here is just a personal one because currently the business one is tied up with our team account right now. So, so if you scroll down under selling tools, then you click on multi-order shipping and it'll come up with another pop-up. Right. So here already right now I have 2 people in here because basically what I did is I sent them an invoice and they paid their invoice. Okay. I don't like this particular screen. So I actually go up here and where it says switch to the classic shipping label experience, I click on that because here you can do multiple at once, and you can, to me, you can see it a lot better.
Okay.
So I have Chrome, so this pop-up always comes up and I just hit continue. Okay, and then of course the 2 people that had their invoices are right here, okay? But obviously I don't have all of their items because they got the Cocoa Glow and the light and the medium, which is in back order. So I'm just leaving it there and it won't print out their label until you have the right shipping style and the weight. Okay, so they will just constantly stay there. Okay. Then you go to file and then create a new order. You don't need to do anything under order details, but under shipping details is where you need.
I don't see anything that you're talking about.
You don't see this extra pop-up box? No? Okay, let me.
I see PayPal multi-order shipping. It stopped there.
Oh, it didn't pull up the pop-up? What the heck?
I wrote down switch to the classic shipping experience. And then I wrote down, then you start talking, but I didn't see what you were talking about it. And you said, I have Chrome, but I just clicked continue.
Right. What about now? Do you see it now?
I do see the pop-up, create new order.
Perfect. So that's what you need to see. So, and through here, you have to select what kind of type of package that you need. Okay. So we're really walk you through what type of packages they are.
Okay,
so
let me ask you something, Connie. Is this what you see once you click file?
Yeah, file and create new order.
Okay. Go ahead.
All right. So the priority mail service, this is going to be your priority mailers, obviously. Okay. Anything over usually 15 ounces, it's going to go under priority.
Okay.
Save you more money than shipping it first class. Also, when you go through the PayPal here and do the shipping through this, your delivery confirmation is free. You don't have to pay extra for that. It automatically generates it. And you also get a little bit of a discount on shipping.
Okay.
Okay. So like for instance, we have the, you can do the padded flat rate envelope. You can do just the flat rate envelope, which is kind of like the flat just document. And then your packages. Okay. And then you have your flat rates. I never use the flat rates unless it's a heavy item that can fit in a small, because they're like 10, 12 bucks. Okay. Big boxes. But anything of the priority mail, you can go to USPS.com and actually order the bubble mailers and envelopes and or anything else that you want from the priority mail for free, and it'll ship to your house. So I order like the padded envelopes, like, oh God, like, I don't know, 100 at a time. Okay. All right. The next one is a Priority Mail Express service. So this is going to be faster service, but it's also more costly, so I never use it.
Okay.
The next one is the other one that you're going to be probably using the most of is your first class. So usually anything under 15 ounces is going to be great. So, but there's only two options. So you have your package and then you have your large package. So anything that we normally are going to ship that's going to be less than the ounces before you need to go priority is just going to be the package thick envelope. So that would be maybe like your brown bubble mailers or something along those lines. Okay. So we're going to go ahead and just click this. The rest, the media, this is like if you're just sending like CDs and stuff like that, that takes like slower. Like they don't need it super fast. And same thing with parcel. But we know that they want their stuff pretty quickly, so always use first class. Okay. So package thick envelope. So when you do the package thick envelope, you don't need to like know the dimensions of the size. The only time that you actually have to put in the dimensions of the size is when you're actually using what do you call it? A package, a large package. Okay. And we'll do that in a second. So say that this package is, you can see that it does go up to 1 pound, but sometimes when you get to anything over 13 ounces, it might be cheaper to do priority.
Okay.
So what's great about this is you can click on, say, 15 ounces, and then it'll kind of, after we do all of this, it'll tell you how much the shipping is on this package. And if it's less than priority, then fantastic. If it's more than priority, then you need to switch it to priority. Okay. So ship to address, go Rhonda. The address
1413.
here,
Okay.
and this and that. Okay, and then you're going to, if you have another one, you can click create order. Okay. Or you can just hit save and close. So when you hit save and close, it adds it right through here. So this is telling you, it's probably telling me that the address is invalid because it knows addresses and zip codes and all that kind of stuff to make sure that it's correct. Okay.
Okay.
So it says ship to address that you provided is not valid. So something like this happens, all you got to do is highlight the package, hit edit, and then we're going to hit ship to address. All right, so now give me your real address.
1413 Northwest 141st Street. 141. And then it's 73013.
Save and close, and then it will update it. So now it's green saying, okay, great. Okay, and then you see at the very bottom, it says label cost is $4.66 for this particular package. Okay. Now, again, if you need to change something and like, okay, the ounces are wrong, I need to go ahead and change it here, it will automatically update it over here. Wow, look, $4.94, not so bad. Then you can, if you need to see if it's priority, you can click on the padded one, and it tells you the padded is $7.10.
Okay.
Okay. I'm going to tell you a little trick because this is recorded and it's only going to you and nobody else. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
The padded envelope is going to be more than $7. Okay, because I think normally it's like $7.50 or something. I can't remember.
Okay.
I actually go use the flat rate envelope for my padded envelopes, and it's $6.55. So it saves you like $60 or whatever, or 60 cents.
Okay.
So I do cheat on that, but I've been doing it for a long time now and never said anything.
Right.
Okay? And I haven't gotten charged the difference or anything like that.
Okay.
So, but that's just my little trick to you. Okay.
Do I need to get a scale?
Yeah. So get a scale so that way you can, you can get one at Walmart.
Okay.
Okay. And then of course, the reviews on the far right-hand side, it says your address, and all that kind of stuff. Okay.
Okay.
Now, if we're shipping, like say, it's a package, all right? So we're gonna go to first class, large package. And we're gonna say the weight. Obviously, you see that if it's more than 1 pound, it won't let you ship a large package first class. So you're gonna have to go to priority and then click on package thick envelope, okay, shipping a box. But go ahead and use the free box that they give you on USPS.com.
Okay.
I will show you what boxes that I use most often, so that we write them down. So then you're going to weigh it, okay? So we're gonna say it's anywhere from 3 pounds, 1 ounces to 4 pounds.
All right.
It gives you the dimension. If you use one of the priority mail boxes, the boxes already says the dimensions on the box.
Okay.
Bottom flap. So we're going to do 10 by 6 by 5. Okay. And then it tells you how much it is. It's $8.05.
Okay.
Okay. So we're going to go back really quick and go edit to ship address. I want to show you up here what it looks like because it's the same thing. And then you can just, all this right here.
Okay. I see it.
I do have high postage cost and label marked. So that way, whenever you print off the label, it doesn't show how much it is. And I don't know if maybe that's how I got away with using flat rate envelope versus, because I don't show the cost of the shipping. And you don't necessarily want your clients to see how much this particular item really costs you when you charge them $7.
Right.
So I hide it.
Okay.
Okay. All right. So then what you're going to do next is you're going to hit print. Okay. So you see that the other two that was just kind of in limbo is no longer there, right?
Correct.
And if you have multiple packages, it will tell you in the grand total how much your packages will be.
All right.
Okay. And then what I do is I take this number and then put it in my tax Excel spreadsheet that we have right away so I never forget. All right. So then you click on pay and print. Oh, shit. That's okay. I'll refund it and I'll show you how to refund. Okay, so now what it's doing is creating a tracking number and all of that for your package. Do you see this pop-up box come up?
No.
No? Okay, let me. Okay, now you see it.
Yes.
Okay, so.
Like the print?
Yes, the print one.
Okay. Yeah.
So this is going to pop up, and I do have a Dymo label printer, you don't have to have one. So you can just hit change and then click on your actual printer itself. Okay, and then you can just go ahead and hit print. And it will print out on regular paper for you.
Okay.
So all you gotta do is you just gotta cut it off and then just tape it on.
Okay.
So you don't need to go out and spend $100 or whatever on a new printer necessarily. So you can just use your regular paper and just packing tape.
Okay.
Okay. So, and then you just hit print and then it will print out and then you just do it and you're good. Okay.
All
So,
right.
over here. Sure. Go back here. Okay. So now it's been printed. Then, so something happens and you're like, oh, can we meet up instead or something else or whatever it is, okay? Mm-hmm. Just click on the history tab up here and it'll tell you by date, the past day, past week, and past month. Okay, that's as far back as you can go. So today, I actually printed 2 labels. So at 2 separate times, and that's why you see 1 label and 1 label. If I printed 2 labels this morning, it'll say 2 label, and then it'll say 1 label.
Okay.
This one highlighted is the one that I sent this morning, okay, with the UPS tracking number and the cost. So and then click on this, and this is the one that I made for you.
All right.
So I'm going to click on that, and then you can reprint it if something happened and it didn't print out right or whatever. Okay, you can print it. Okay, and then if you need to void it, you just click on void.
Okay.
Okay, and then you just give a reason why label didn't get to print, postage is lost, or change mind, postage destroyed. I just click change mind, and then I click on void shipment. And it'll take a little bit before you get your money back, because they have to make sure that that you really didn't send it off and asking for a refund and all that kind of stuff. So, but it'll give you your money back.
Okay.
And with all of this, when you're using PayPal, you'll get an email every time that you print something, and then whenever your refund goes through.
Okay.
And that's it. And then anytime that you void anything, when you go back to orders to ship, it'll put it back in here. So if you need to reship it, obviously I don't. So then I just highlighted it and I'm going to hit delete. So that way it disappears. So any questions? And that's really it. And then you can schedule a carrier pickup or just put it in your mailbox with the flag up.
Okay.
Any questions?
No, I think I got it.
Okay, awesome. All right, I'm going to stop recording now. So.